Hello everybody, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to set up and use your Canvas online program resource. First, you'll be receiving an email from Canvas. It will prompt you to create a Canvas account. Simply click Get Started, and it will direct you to put in a new password. Make sure the password is strong and also one that you will remember. Once you have created an account, you can simply click on the link to go to your Canvas dashboard. Alright, let's get started. First, click on Account. Here you can edit everything about your account, as well as looking at notifications, your profile, viewing any files you have uploaded, your general settings, ePortfolios, and even a QR code for mobile login. Alright, let's take a look at Profile first. So click on there. Here you can add a little bit more about you so your instructors can get to know you better. First and foremost, please add a profile picture. And here you can add a little biography. Just a couple of sentences is all you need to share a little bit about you. Alright, let's take a look at notifications. In an online program, notifications are very important. These notifications are delivered to the email address that is connected to your Canvas account. As you can see, there are quite a lot of notification settings, so please look through them carefully to choose the ones that are useful to you. We recommend that you put notifications on your course activities such as due dates, announcements, and discussion posts. There's also some great options for scheduling, groups, and other alerts. As you can see, up at the top it says the checkmark is notify me right away, send me a daily summary, send me a weekly summary, and do not send me anything. Select all the notifications that you would like. Next, you can view your files, which is anything you've uploaded before. You can also check your general settings, as well as here is where you can set up your ePortfolio. Your course may or may not use an ePortfolio. Okay, let's jump into some of the other features of Canvas. The place you will start most often is your dashboard. Here you can view on the dashboard that I have one course. This is Working in Teams, Essential Soft Skills in English. If you have more than one course, you will see multiple tiles along your dashboard. In courses, it is very similar, but instead of tiles, you'll see the names of your courses listed here. If you have more than one course, they'll be all listed below. In your calendar, you can see all the due dates for assignments coming up. If you have multiple courses at once, you'll see a legend here for the color. Here's your inbox. If you are messaged by another student or the instructor or the administrator, you can view their messages here. And of course, you can always click on the Help button, which will bring you to the Canvas guides, which contain answers to the most common questions. Okay, let's actually jump into our course. Here you can see our announcements, assignments, discussions, and files. So whenever there's a dot, you can see that there is something that you need to do. Let's go in. Here you can see everything there is about your course. There are modules, so it's your introduction module, module 1, and it goes through all the work. Additionally, you can see any announcements. You can see if there are any assignments due. Here you can join the discussions. Most importantly, you might be able to see your grades here, the list of people in your courses, pages, files, the very important syllabus, any quizzes that you need to do, modules, any conferences, and any collaborations. Of course, you can view more notifications on the right-hand side. You can view your calendar here for this course, and you can view the course stream. And that's it. That's everything you need to get started in using Canvas. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.